Welcome to the Fudge Toffee production line by General Engineering Works, a complete and efficient solution for high-quality fudge manufacturing. The process begins with the steam boiler, the foundation of the entire cooking system. This high-performance boiler generates reliable, continuous steam, supplying the necessary heat to power the cooker. With precise temperature control, the steam boiler ensures consistent operation without overheating or undercooking your batch. Its stainless steel construction, safety mechanisms, and energy-efficient design make it a core component of any modern confectionery production setup. It delivers the steady thermal energy required for perfectly cooked fudge, time after time. Cooker once the steam is ready. It feeds directly into the Fudge Toffee cooker. This machine is where the raw ingredients, sugar, glucose, milk, and fats, are blended and heated to create the smooth, rich base of fudge. The cooker operates under controlled conditions, managing heat and agitation to achieve the ideal texture and flavor. Precision is everything in this step. Undercooking leads to grainy textures, while overcooking results in burning and loss of flavor. That's why this cooker is designed for accuracy, batch consistency, and minimal manual intervention. It supports a continuous flow of production, improving your overall output and product quality. Pulling machine. After cooking, the fudge mass is transferred to the pulling machine, where it begins to transform in both texture and appearance. The pulling process aerates the fudge by stretching and folding it repeatedly, creating a smoother, lighter consistency. It also enhances the gloss and mouthfeel of the final product. This machine allows you to fine-tune the speed and torque to suit your specific formulation. With stainless steel arms and food-safe contact surfaces, it guarantees hygiene and safety in every batch. The result is perfectly pulled fudge, elastic, smooth, and ready for shaping. Next, the pulled fudge is shaped using the batch roller. The roller forms the mass into a uniform cylindrical rope. This is a critical stage for maintaining consistent piece size and weight across production. The rollers are fully adjustable, allowing you to customize the diameter according to your final product specifications. Following this, the rope enters the rope sizer. This machine fine-tunes the shape and diameter, ensuring each rope is consistent before it reaches the packaging stage. The final step in the production line is the double-twisted fudge packing machine. As the formed ropes are cut into individual pieces, this machine quickly wraps each one with a double twist, locking in freshness and providing a classic confectionery look. High-speed operation and accurate film control allow for minimal downtime and consistent wrapping quality. It's built to handle various wrapper materials, and its compact design integrates easily with the rest of the line. This machine doesn't just pack fudge. It ensures your product leaves the factory looking polished, professional, and market-ready. From steam generation to final packaging, the Fudge Toffee production line is engineered for quality, consistency, and efficiency. Every machine works in harmony to produce a product that meets the highest confectionery standards. With General Engineering Works, this isn't just candy, it's confectionery engineering.